love is making music with my friends. And I can't wait to get on the road again. On the road again. Going places that I've never been. Seeing things that I may never see again. I can't wait to get on the road again. On the road again.
Good morning. It's still morning. It's Wednesday, July 24th. And we're giving Blue a test ride with the new Baja Bronze sway bar and new rear tire. Let's see how it goes. It doesn't dip anymore in the corner. It used to go It'll be a good day in the 80s today. We just gotta find a curvy road to go on. Feels pretty good. I don't know if you feel any difference.
A little bit, but again, I thought the bike was supposed to be like that, so
Oh,
what do I know?
you know a lot. Feels stiffer in the front. Okay, until our next little clip on curvy roads. There's a good view. That's nice. We're not on 28, we're on Walker Flats Road. Taking some curvy roads, breaking in the rear tire. Road work ahead. Okay. I think it's that. Oh, I guess we'll go this way. We'll go find some road work. Whee! I'm gonna tighten up the GoPro and keep moving. It's always a beautiful view. Welcome to Puxy. We're in Puxy County. Oh. We're gonna get that little groundhog. Puxatawny in front of us. Whee! Good view, but we got truck in front of us. And I guess they're getting the roads ready for winter. They're chipping them. They oil them and put chips down. still a good view. Home sweet home. We're home. Got a good ride. Breaking in new stuff. It feels a lot better. Well, I think. New tire was good. All broken in now. Now we got to give Blue Chew a bath. So, thanks for coming along with us, and don't forget, subscribe. Good morning. It's the 25th of July. The month is almost over. We got a few errands to do, so we're going to go for a little ride. It's supposed to be a good day. It's supposed to be a beautiful weekend. We'll see what happens. Not 75 on the bike, but it feels good. We're going to find some new roads to go on. So stay tuned, because we don't know where we're going. Here we turn on 949. Nice curvy road. Been on it many a times. A lot of clouds in the sky. I don't know if you can see it. We got
3 deer.
3 deer right in the middle of the road. I don't know if you can see them.
Cute. Stay there.
Okay. Yep. I seen something in the road. I'm trying to figure out what it was as I was coming closer. They were just standing on the yellow line. You never know who you're gonna come across. As long as they don't jump out. I can see them on the street. It's the ones that jump out you gotta watch out for. Oh, we're going through Cook Forest. It's a little chilly.
Yeah.
We got overcast skies, and plus it's all covered with trees. All good. It's a refreshing ride, and the bike's handling really good with all the new tire and sway bar. Made a difference. Well, we just went by 2 fawns. Looks like they were in someone's garden, munching away. Well, that was pretty neat. So that, so far, 5 of the 4-legged creatures. As long as they stay off the road, we're happy. Home sweet home. We had a nice ride. Bike ride's good. The next thing is when the brakes come in tomorrow. Do a brake job. Front and rear. Okay. Thanks for coming along with us.